Almost dropped my body camera. My wall's broken. Not my wall. My wall's broken through the back. Body camera. Who here has like a 2013 vibe besides me? No, 2013 vibe. Of a random song you heard. I'm not saying what song, I'm just saying what kind of random vibe song or a vibe of a song you like to hear again from 2013. Awesome. I was thinking more like, what does the fox say? Like, would be funny. What does the fox say? I freaking think that song was annoying, but oh well. Yep. I mean, what about you, Larry? What kind of vibe song would you like to have in your brain from 2013? Huh, Larry? What song did you ever like in 2013? You liked all of them, huh? What was the most annoying song you liked in 2013 that annoyed the crap out of somebody else? Did you have Gone to Knuckles? Oh my god, that was annoying. Uganda Knuckles was the annoyingest song ever. You know the way. Yeah. That was like annoying. Imagine they brought back that meme, bro. I know shit. This shit been a meme for like since like 1985. It is Norm. Where? I mean, what Norm Peterson would be like a meme from 1985 or 1989? What would you think, bro, Larry? Yeah, that would be a meme waiting to happen. Yeah. 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 No, just a weapons kind of game. Yeah. I was more of a fighting game. Yeah. Like the main character has his friends. And the main character also needs to be battleized with his arch nemesis, the evil Weed Queen. What would be a good RPG game? For like kind of like Diablo or something. Yeah. You know what, YouTube? My friend was thinking that I should be in a video game. Butch or Douglas Dirt.
Oh, I did have an idea for making my first video game with Unity game engine.
Unreal Game Engine, which is awesome. I farted.
Yep, I was gonna use that for the game engine, and then I'll just like use the free version, and then I'll just like, and I'll just create the game from mobile.
Cool. That'd be a $2.99 out of gameplay. I'd play that game.
I mean, I was gonna release a free demo for everyone to try out and give me their comments and stuff like that.
Would be awesome. Crazy War Command and the battles of the Weed Queen. I mean, wouldn't that be a cool title? But someone already beat you to that title or that video game. But he made it look like a, how should I put this? Like a 2D kind of 8-bit kind of game.
3D.
Would be cool.
That'd be cool. I'll probably swap your character, and I'll probably just do like like action theme to it.
Yeah. You know how rich you would get with that?
Yeah.
Yeah, you'd be that rich, huh?
I might even get into the game company.
That would have been cool.
I don't have the business degree, so.
So. And there's like gonna be like a second boss battle, like a dish boss battle.
Somewhat.
And the only thing you gotta defeat him with is soap and water. Like when he has.
I don't get on that detail yet, so.
Would be cool. I'd pay $1.99 for that. I mean, if you want to charge people that much, you'd probably pay like $1.99 for that game. And any DLCs you want to add to it, that would have been cool. I'm Douglas here.
If I could.
What would be my main weapon?
Oh, I was thinking about more like a customized weed whacker.
Like a Death Weed Whacker.
Yeah, definitely Weed Whacker.
That would have been cool. Or an Ultimate Dead Mower. That would have been cool too. Ultimate Dead Mower. Evil Knight. LOL.
Yeah, and I was going to put some game development videos on YouTube.
What would be the best game that you guys ever had or tried out when you was a kid? And I guess this is for a Crazy Magic Hawkman video.
My first ever fun game I ever played on PlayStation 2 was Jak and Daxter.
Jak and Daxter? That's awesome. Would they ever bring that back? Just kind of curious.
I mean, there's some rumors, but I'm not sure the Naughty Dog develop team will bring it back, but it would be cool if they did.
Yeah. And they bring back Ratchet and Clank for the PlayStation 4 and 5.
Well, they already brought Ratchet and Clank time travel thing, I mean, dimension travel
Awesome.
thing. Right? Before the helpful group was supposed to make the best.
You know, I scrubbed my coffee pot, Larry. No wonder why my coffee doesn't get too hot. My burner's like, covered in black stuff, bro. Kinda sucks. My burner on my coffee pot is covered in black. So I cleaned that one, dude. Yeah, I cleaned that one. Yep. And I posted a picture on YouTube. Are you still there, you guys?
I'm still here. Yep.
Yeah.
What the fuck? Oh, it's my fucking cigarette. Oh, hell no, dude. I gotta walk right by you.
Go open the door.
Fuck that. What the shit? Literally.
That's funny. A bomb one.
What happened?
I farted and my cousin ran out the room.
Boy, you leave some choker bomb, have you?
Yep. You know what, bro? Oh man, that felt good though. I had beans for dinner with chili and hot dog. Smile, dishes. Ha 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 ha. There's me. Well, see you guys later.